Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Freshsales account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail to your Freshsales CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to your Freshsales CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing different customers across different emails can be time consuming. So with Freshsales, you can manage all that in one location. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Freshsales dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Freshsales account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Gmail to your Freshsales, here on the left menu, you're going to click on this little envelope. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these four options here. Now you want to choose which one is your provider for your email, but today we're talking about Gmail, so click right here. Okay, next, Freshsales is going to ask if you want to collect Gmail conversations, the contacts, and your calendar. I don't really like to share all that information, but I'm going to go ahead and uncheck these right here, and I'm going to click connect. Okay, next, Google's going to open up a login screen. So first you want to choose which Gmail you want to connect to Freshsales. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Gmail lets you know they're going to share this information with Freshsales. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next you want to choose which permissions you want to give Freshsales. I'm going to go ahead and choose this and then click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now my Gmail is connected to my Freshsales. So that way, if I go up here and I send out a new email, okay, so it pulled that up. And if you click right here from, okay, as you can see, it's going to be sent from my Gmail account. So let me close this down. And if you want to verify it, you can go up here to your profile icon on the top right. And then you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, and here it should show your email. So you can see my Gmail is connected right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your Freshsales CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.